evening, viewers. Welcome to the news. A quick look at the headlines. Voice of the People's Party holds introductory public meeting to introduce the 29 MDC candidates for Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Meghalaya BJP to contest 6 to 7 seats from Khasi and Jaintia Hills for upcoming MDC elections 2025. Coming one Yumbon allocates rupees 3 crore for construction of new government senior basic school in Minso. And Khasi Authors Society observes 84th death anniversary of Usu Sotham at Riboy College. And now the news in detail. Today, the Voice of the People's Party held an introductory public meeting to introduce the 29 MDC candidates who will be contesting in the upcoming MDC election on February 21st, 2025. The introduction was made by Dr. Kara H. Shen, Chairman of the VPP Disciplinary Committee, at a public meeting held at the Yaumsiang taxi stand. The meeting was attended by President of VPP, Ardent Mela Basayamoy, and other party members. Out of the 29 VPP MDC candidates, 4 are women. Speaking to the President of VPP, Basayamoy stated the party has established a presence in all areas and has been educating the public on how to select candidates and trusted in the wisdom of the general public.
Party kepeningkong laringi niwan kapor akinik atli council kajing perkhat kaji kamdei tang nakamta kajimuntoy juga party keban essential to hendai kadi kajimuntoy nam taga bet kabyang jong kinong trei katar kadi ka we ka priority mo ka mat ka ba khmat de ka party kan shim ban shim mi kaji ikli ban pintina baki nong trei hapo kini ke atli ke dis council kemdei bandan ke jine hakaban yo e ka tulok ka jok.
BJP spokesperson M. Kharkrang has stated that the party is considering contesting in 6 to 7 seats from the Khasi and Jaintia Hills for the upcoming MDC elections in 2025. He mentioned that the party officials are currently touring other districts with the process of scrutinizing potential candidates still underway. While he could not confirm the exact number of seats the party will contest, Kharkrang expressed hope that the BJP will secure a victory.
Abdan menyuka ligi seat bikila punchini. Undai tang nani nangi po Jaintia nang Peru. Di nono kataru ki nongkit kamjungi ru kinang elect po district natai nang tools po district. But definitely in contest in election MDC. Try to simple declare. We will declare election to
NPP Meghalaya President and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Thinsong expressed his personal support for the proposed One Nation, One Election policy, highlighting its potential to save time, particularly in managing the model code of conduct during elections. He stated that holding elections simultaneously for MPs and MLAs would reduce the repetitive enforcement of the model code, which consumes significant time during multiple polls.
I would like to see that the election is held once, okay, not twice or thrice, be it MP or be it MLA. Otherwise, if you calculate the time consumption that we have, especially in terms of model code of conduct, is so much. So if we have one election, I would see that we save a lot of time. Yes, maybe for 2 months or 3 months continuously, but after that, in 5 years, only 2 or 3 months, we have the model code of conduct.
In a significant development, Minister of Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Kaming Wanambon, has allocated 3 crore for the construction of a new government senior basic school in Minso. This announcement was made during the closing ceremony of the school's 75th anniversary celebrations yesterday. The minister stressed the significance of elevating the RMSA school to a higher secondary school, a project that was approved 3 to 4 years ago. The ceremony was attended by Joint Director of School Education and Literacy, APCM, teachers, parents, students and others. The minister, along with APCM, honoured former and current teachers, released a souvenir book and unveiled the 75th anniversary monument.
I think maybe at the end of this financial year, we will sanction the school, Hapo Lake Road. We're trying a new building. The department that have approved, the ADB that have approved the school, Satang Oedon sanction.
The Committee on Empowerment of Women, chaired by Santa Mary Shala, yesterday visited the survivor of a domestic violence incident in Niryang village under Thatlasken block. She was accompanied by committee member Adalbert Nongrum, Jawai MLA Waidlat Miki Shala, and officials from the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Secretariat. The chairperson Shala expressed profound shock and sadness over the incident, which has deeply disturbed the entire community. She assured the public that the committee, in coordination with the local MLA, is working diligently to ensure the victim receives the highest quality of treatment.
Police department ru baskyo bha ban budin ya gini ki kam jangki bha ki ulale sniu hado kata-kata phi ndere ban pelaj lene ban jam ya ka an de ka an he ade le hi kata ka kam de ban le te karpat ipi ba phin pet khnang ya gan ka long kmi pan yo kata ka hop jongka sakoweru ba utu bro un kon mau ba ude ban yo kata ka punishment.
The Department of Tourism, Government of Meghalaya, yesterday organized the first Hello Meghalaya Conclave 2024 at Hotel Courtyard by Marriott Shillong. The event also witnessed the launch of financial assistance guidelines for film production to local film producers and directors, where a cheque amounting to Rs 35 lakhs were handed over to 3 film producers. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that there are many programs that the state government is running to support the youth, encouraging them to take advantage of such schemes.
When we are doing all of these things, that it's not about just one platform that we create. It's not about one award that we give, and definitely not about one new scheme that we're coming out with. We have to really see the larger picture of what we are trying to do out here.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, while speaking during an event organized by the KHADC for the launch of 17 books based on extensive research into Khasi culture, announced that the Meghalaya government will approach Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan to ensure that research-based books on Khasi culture and history find a place in libraries dedicated to tribal societies across India. Sangma praised the KHADC Chief Executive Member for his vision in conceptualizing the project, recalling how the idea immediately captured his attention.
Tribal society and culture has so much to offer to this world. Sometimes we tend to overlook and take things for granted. But as scholars, I'm sure you will know better whether environmental issues. I just saw that there was a book that is talking about the governance in environment through the traditional practices.
To honor and commemorate the 84th death anniversary of Uso Sotham, a legendary poet, the Khasi Authors Society, in collaboration with its Reebhoy unit, organized a memorial event at Reebhoy College. The event was attended by the local MLA of Nongpo, Merul Bon CM, as the chief guest, in the presence of W.K. Bla, Secretary of the Reebhoy College governing body, along with students and others. In his address, CM lauded the efforts of the Khasi Authors Society in organizing the event to honor Uso Sotham, celebrated as one of the most prominent poets and authors in Khasi literature.
Isang sarong halor kami begidan yang ki di council berker Midon ki hima, midon ki ilaka, midon ki rai, midon ki ranwa shnong, ki bepet ki bekmi ya karkom penyak shnong, karkom jit ranwa shnong, karkom sensal shnong, bat komtar. But mi snow men ba district council wa happening jing e ki bobun ki di dona bobun kita dan re yang ni dang la penek sa.
Raj Bhavan Shillong came alive with festive cheer yesterday as it hosted a heartwarming pre-Christmas celebration. The program saw enthusiastic participation from guests and performers who added to the festive spirit through music and cultural performances, reflecting the essence of Christmas, a time for sharing, caring and togetherness. Gracing the occasion was C.H. Vijay Shankar, Governor of Meghalaya, along with other distinguished attendees. The Governor's House extended a warm welcome to all present, emphasizing the importance of celebrating unity, peace and the spirit of giving, which are hallmarks of the festive season.
The season to remind us of the values that brings light into our lives, kindness, compassion and unity. May the spirit of Christmas fill your heart with love, joy and peace.
The review meeting for the 6th Meghalaya Games was held yesterday at Soil and Water Conservation Department, which was attended by various committees to ensure the success of the Games. The Games will kick off with an opening ceremony on January 21st, 2025 at Wayajar Stadium, coinciding with Meghalaya Day. The closing ceremony will take place at Kyang Nangba Stadium in July. While addressing the media, Chairman MSOA John Khashing expressed his satisfaction with the progress made so far. The Meghalaya Games will feature 25 disciplines, with swimming events taking place in Shillong and golf events at Assam Rifles.
Taking the game to the district provides an opportunity to create infrastructure. So we are very happy and grateful also to Gyangnambak College for parting away with part of their land to give us this opportunity to the government to create this swimming pool. So a 25-meter pool is work is already in progress.
The finals of the Umlakhar Sports and Cultural Club Football Knockout Tournament 2024 took place today at Umlakhar Ground. Nongpo MLA Merul Bon CM graced the event as the chief guest, with Balajit Rani serving as the guest of honor along with other dignitaries. The exciting final match saw Kinton Pandram Sports Club emerge victorious, defeating Umlakhar Sports Club 2-1. In his address, Merul Bon CM encouraged the youth to dedicate themselves and work hard in their endeavors. Cash prizes were awarded to the winning team. Now a look at the weather report. Firstly, in Tura, the minimum temperature was recorded at 14 degrees Celsius with maximum temperature at 22 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 75%. The forecast in Tura tells us that dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature stands at 7.5 degrees Celsius with maximum temperature at 19.4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 64% and Shillong's forecast states that dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Lastly, in Jowai, minimum temperature 10 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature at 16 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 63% and its forecast is dry weather is likely at most places. Before we conclude, a quick look at the headlines once again. Voice of the People's Party holds introductory public meeting to introduce the 29 MDC candidates for Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Meghalaya BJP to contest 6 to 7 seats from Khasi and Jaintia Hills for upcoming MDC elections 2025. Coming Bond allocates Rs 3 crore for construction of new government senior basic school in Mandsaur. And Khasi Author Society observes 84th death anniversary of Uso Sotham at Ribhoi College. Dear viewers, with that we come to the end of the news bulletin. Do join us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.